Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a foam dart gun from Backyard Blasters. I got this on Amazon, so can you. A link will be in the description, as well as their website, to be able to buy some of this awesome toy guns. So, at the front of the box, it says, Launch Safe Shooting Soft Bullet Toy Gun. And it has some instructions on how to use the toy gun. So it says, pull back, put in the foam dart, and then you're ready to fire. Pretty cool. Right here it says, warning, physical and packaging pattern is slightly different to the object. Should be sure to read the cross card on the back of the instructions of the play instructions. The package contains important information must be retained. One of these products contains small items that may risk the risk of asphyxiation, may not be suitable for 36 months and under. The following children use the product model A88 made in China. So yeah, that's basically the box, and it has more of just that. So let's get this opened. Here we go. So on the front of the box, you have the actual toy gun and 4 bullets, foam darts basically. So here are the full 4 foam darts. Here's the box. Oh, this is a nice gold accent and black. Very nice. Oops. It's a nice, very nice. Looks pretty real actually. Well, the iron sights are pretty good. So right here it says safety high speed power air gun. So it's pretty cool. Pull this back. It has some power to it for sure. So there's a little barrel. Gonna put a foam in there and ready to fire. Doesn't hurt that much, so that's pretty good. After all, it is spring powered, not automatic. The trigger feels pretty good, very solid. Nice plastic, very comfortable. Very good build quality. I like it. You could get this on Amazon, by the way. Very, very fast shipping. Very good. I like the high quality plastic here. Yeah, so it shoots pretty good. It has very nice power. Very good, very good. Ooh, that bounced back. Okay. Literally all the products are super amazing. I like reviewing a lot of them because I like testing them out, comparing the two, and I like looking at different ones. Like this one is a gold and black one. I have a full black one. I have a blue and black one. I have a yellow, orange, and blue one. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to be getting more of these soon. I'm going to be reviewing them as well. This one is very cool. I very much like it. It's very very sturdy, very small. It's very good in the hand. Really like it. Like a deagle. Hashtag Fortnite. Anyway, very good toy gun. Link in the description to buy this is in the description, obviously, as well as their website. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.